Dear student, dear forestry student, today I am giving you your second lecture. First I have taken basic concept of trigonometry in previous class. In the continuation of trigonometry, this is the second lecture on complex number. Before starting to complex number, it is necessary you know about number system, natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational, imaginary number and real number. See and listen carefully this lecture. I will also going to give you PDF of these lectures and questions which have come in previous exam related to complex number. Thank you. Dear student, today we are taking topic complex number. Complex number. Complex number. For starting to complex number, it is necessary we know about number system. We know about number system. Number system. About number system, you have read in starting class. First number is natural number. Natural number. Natural number, a number which can be countable. Natural number is a number. Natural number is a number which we can count. हिंदी में बोलते हैं प्राकृतिक संख्याएं. तो प्राकृतिक संख्याएं ऐसी संख्याएं जिनको हम गिन सके. जब हम क्लास में पढ़ने गए थे तब हम लोगों ने गिनती सीखी थी ना, वही है काउंटिंग नंबर, जिसको हम n से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू इंफिनिटी. ये आपके नेचुरल नंबर है. All positive number which are not in fraction, 0 is not including here. After that, whole number. Whole number. Whole number is a number in which natural number and 0 is also included. 0 is also included. 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. This type of number is called whole number. After that, whole number, integers. Integers. It is generally denoted by capital I. Denoted by I. All positive and negative natural number, all positive and negative natural number. 0 is also included here. It means integer is a complete number. All positive natural number and all negative number means number which are not in fraction in decimal. 0 is also included here. 0 on right side it is increasing 1 2 3 like that, and left side it is decreasing -1 -2 -3. This type of number are called integers, या हिंदी में कहते हैं पूर्णांक संख्याएं. सभी धनात्मक प्राकृतिक संख्याएं और ऋणात्मक पूर्णांक संख्याएं, शून्य भी इसके अंतर्गत आता है. दैट नंबर आर कॉल्ड इंटीजर्स. आफ्टर इंटीजर्स, रेशनल नंबर. रेशनल नंबर जिसको हिंदी में परिमेय संख्या कहते हैं। रेशनल नंबर a number which is right in P upon Q form, P upon Q form, where P and Q are any integers. P and Q are any integers. Second thing, P and Q have no common root. Are common multiple. Means P and Q have no common factor. Like 2 and 3 have no common factor. Third, Q should not equal to 0. Means numerator never be numerator may be 0, but denominator never be 0. 3 points are necessary. A rational number. A number is written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are any integers. P and Q have no common factor. Third is Q should not equal to 0. This type of number is called rational number. Examples: 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 0, 2, 3. These are rational numbers. Irrational number. A number which is written in the form of which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q according to previous condition. In short, that number is not rational, called irrational number. Like root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 7. Root 5, root 3 and root 7. This type of number is called irrational number. Now, imaginary number. Now, imaginary number. Imaginary number. Imaginary number which cannot be able to take square root, like -3, -16, -25. These type of number is called imaginary number. Imaginary number. Now I again repeated number system. Natural number is a number which can be count. ऐसा नंबर जिसको गिना जा सके, यानी इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 अप टू इन्फिनिटी. Whole number, natural number and included zero is called whole number. Integers, all positive and negative natural number, zero is also included here. सभी धनात्मक और ऋणात्मक प्राकृतिक संख्याएं जीरो भी इसके अंतर्गत आता है. रेशनल नंबर, परिमेय संख्या ऐसी संख्या है जो P/Q के रूप में लिखी जा सके, जहां पर P और Q कोई पूर्णांक संख्या हो, P एंड Q के बीच कोई भी उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड ना हो. तीसरा, Q शुड नॉट इक्वल टू जीरो मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर नेवर बी जीरो, न्यूमरेटर may be. These are examples of rational number. 2/3. Here 2 is integers and 3 is also integer, and 2 and 3 have no common factor. 0 we can write 0/1. Here 0 is integer, 1 is also integer, so it is also a rational number. 2 we can write 2/1. 2 and 1 are integers, and 1 is not equal to 0. 3 also written in the form of 3 and 1 is integers, but 1 is not equal to 0. This type of number is called rational number. Irrational number, a number which is not rational, that number is called irrational. अपरिमेय संख्याएं जो परिमेय संख्या नहीं है वो नंबर आपका कहलाता है इरेशनल, अपरिमेय, जैसे √2, √3, √5, √7. इमेजिनरी नंबर जिसका हम स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकाल सकते, जैसे √-3, √-16, √-25. दिस टाइप नंबर इज कॉल्ड imaginary number. Now after this we are explaining you imaginary quantity. Here you see -16. This we can write like that, -1 and -16. यदि हम i = माइनस रखें और इस स्क्वायर रूट ले लें तो i16 को हम लिख सकते हैं स्मॉल i ±16, और इनका स्क्वायर रूट लिया जाए, वर्गमूल लिया जाए, तो ये आपका हो जाता है 16 का प्लस माइनस दोनों आएगा 4i. तो यहां पर हम दो मान प्राप्त करेंगे, दो वैल्यूज, +4i और -4i. तो ये +4i और -4i एक दूसरे के कॉन्जुगेट कहलाते हैं. हिंदी में संयुग्मी कहलाते हैं. इस तरह हम इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी के रूप में -16 को बता सकते हैं. इसको हम बोलते हैं इंटीग्रल पावर्स ऑफ आइओटा. और आई से डिनोट करते हैं, ये इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी होता है. हमने जैसे अभी दिखाया है कि i की वैल्यू होती है माइनस अंडरवुड माइनस वन. वैल्यू ऑफ i इज अंडरवुड माइनस वन. If we squaring both sides, it will become underwood minus 1 and underwood minus 1. Product of these is minus 1. It indicate value of I square is equal to minus 1. Again, if multiply I both sides, it will become I square into I is equal to minus 1 into I. On simplifying, we get I cube is equal to minus I. Minus I. Again we have multiply I, then it will become I cube into I and I into I, and we know value of I square. Value of I square is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 and minus 1 multiplying, we will get I4 is equal to 1 plus 1. See, these are value helpful to calculate numbers. I is equal to underwood minus 1, I is equal to underwood minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I, and I4 is equal to 1. तो इस तरह हम इसको आगे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. आई पावर के अकॉर्डिंग हम इनकी वैल्यूज आगे कैलकुलेट करते जा सकते हैं कि पावर के साथ ये वैल्यू किस तरह बढ़ रही है, घट रही है. जैसे आप देखते हैं I5, इसको लिख सकते हैं I4 इंटू I4 की वैल्यू 1 है तो I5 हो जाएगा दिस वन. अब इसमें एक और I मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो I6, इसको लिख सकते हैं I की पावर 4 I स्क्वायर, और I स्क्वायर I4 की वैल्यू 1 है, I स्क्वायर की माइनस 1, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 1 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 1. इसी तरह एक I और मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इसको I7 और तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं I6 इंटू I6 की वैल्यू भी आपकी माइनस 1 आ गई है, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा माइनस 1 इंटू I7 इक्वल टू माइनस I. अब I8 करेंगे तो I8 को हम लिख सकते हैं I4 की पावर 2, और ये हो जाएगा I4 की पावर 2, और इसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है तो अब ये वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, तो I8 इक्वल टू 1. तो इसको करने के लिए हम I4 का मल्टीपल करेंगे. जैसे n की वैल्यू 4m प्लस r ले लें, और r की वैल्यू वेयर r की वैल्यू लाई करेगी 0 ग्रेटर लेस देन टू 4, लेस देन 4, r 0 r लेस देन 4, ये वैल्यू इनके बीच लाई करेगी. इस हिसाब से I अगर 68 है तो व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू, डिपेंड फॉर व्हाट इट्स वैल्यू, वी डिवाइड 68 बाई 4. इट गोज 1 टाइम्स 4 2 28, 4 7 जा 28. It is divisible 4 times, so this you can write 4 into 17, this value, and this value is 1, so 1 positive 1, this is equal to 1. Similarly, we can draw many value I is equal to 99. I is equal to 99 divided by 4. 99 4 2 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8 and 1 19, 4 4 जा 16, 4 4 जा 16, it will be 3. Remainder 3, quotient 24. So I19 we can write I की पावर 4 into 24 and I की पावर 3. Value of I4 is 1, then it is I cube, and we know value of I cube is minus I. So value of 99 is equal to minus I. In this way we can expand and suppose I is equal to minus 1. This is equivalent to I. If we multiply, this is equivalent to I, and here 1 upon I. If we multiply I cube both sides, I cube, and this equal to I4 equal to 1, and I cube is equal to minus I. So value is minus I. Similarly, I is equal to minus 2. We can write I square, and value of I square is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. This way we can calculate the value of iota in respect to complex number. We do all questions, evaluate for this one, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. 4, 5, 7, I 5 to 8, third, I 58, I 37 plus I 67, prove so that 1 plus I10, I20, I30 is a real number. Real number. Now we are coming real number. Real number. All rational and irrational or irrational number is called real number. Real number. A number which can represent on number line, and represented by capital R. After that we are coming on main topic, complex number. Complex number, a combination of a real and imaginary number. Complex number are a combination of complex number is a combination of real and imaginary number. If A and B are two real numbers, then a number of the form A plus IB is called a complex number. Where A is real part and B is imaginary part, imaginary part, real part and imaginary part. We see 7 plus 2i. Here is a complex number, is a complex number, is a complex number where real z is a complex number where real part is 7 and imaginary part is 2. Imaginary part is 2. Other examples 3 minus 2i. Here real part is 3 and imaginary part minus 2. I think now you are clear about a complex number. A complex number is a number in which combine real part and imaginary part. Real part and imaginary part. Equality of two complex number. Equality of two complex number. Suppose z1 is equal to a1 plus I b1, z2 is equal to a2 plus I b2. The two complex number z1 and z2 are said to be equal. दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बराबर तभी कहे जाएंगे जब रियल पार्ट बराबर हो रियल पार्ट के, रियल पार्ट एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट बराबर हो इमेजिनरी पार्ट के, और इमेजिनरी पार्ट बराबर हो इमेजिनरी पार्ट के, तभी दो नंबर कहेंगे रियल, इक्वल. Two number are said to be equal. After knowing about complex number, all basic mathematical tools are applied. Basic operations, addition of two complex number. Suppose a number a1 plus I b1, z2 a2 plus I b2, we add z1 plus z2, real part into real part and imaginary part into imaginary part. In this way we can add two complex number. Similarly, subtraction z1 plus I b1, z2 a2 plus I b2, we take negative z1 minus z2 is equal to subtract real part to real part and imaginary part into imaginary part. This way we can add or subtract two complex number. After that, multiplication of two complex number. Suppose a1 plus I b1, z2 plus a2 plus I b2, z1 into z2. We first multiply real part into second complex number, and now imaginary part into second complex number. It is become a1 a2 plus I a1 b2, and this multiplied, this will become I b1 a2 plus I square b1 b2, and we know value of I square is equal to -1. Put here, our expression will become like that: a1 a2 minus b1 b2 plus I a1 b2 plus b1 a2 after putting the value of I square is equal to -1. Then final multiplication is become a1 a2 minus b1 b2 plus a1 b2 plus b1 b2. Similarly, we divide division of two complex number. Suppose z1 a1 plus I b1, z2 plus a2 I b2, dividing z1 z2 a1 plus I b1 a2 plus I b2. We have already explained conjugate of complex number. Here you see we have already explained you here this conjugate of 4i is minus 4i, and conjugate of minus 4i plus 4i. We take conjugate of a2 plus ib2 for making its real. This become negative. Multiplying conjugate of denominator ib2. You see here conjugate of denominator complex number a2 plus ib2, and its conjugate is a2 minus ib2 upon a2 minus ib2. Here we can apply a plus b into a minus b formula. We know a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square b square. After multiplying them real into real, a1 a2 minus I a1 b2, and this multiply plus I a1 b2, this one, and this multiply a2 plus I b1, and minus I into I square b1 b2, and this whole divided by using formula, then a2 square minus I b2 whole square. I b2, because multiplication of a2 plus ib2 or a2 minus bt, a square plus b square. On simplifying, we'll get real part collecting a1 a2, and here value of I square is equal to -1, and -1 and this minus become positive. So this will be plus b1 b2, and here we take common minus I, and it will become b1 b2, and after taking common, this will become minus something wrong. See, on simplifying a1 a2, or here -1 minus b1 b2, taking minus common I here, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is numerator. So again see a1 a2 here value of I square is minus 1 become plus, I square become plus, so it is plus. I square become plus. Here we take minus I, a1 b2, here minus a2 b1, divided by a2 square minus I square b2 square, and this will also become positive. On simplifying, z1 z2 is equal to real part a1 a2 plus b1 b2 divided by I square become positive, a2 square plus b2 square minus I a1 b2 a2 b1 divided by a2 square and b2 square. In this way we can add conjugate operation, Suppose a complex number z is equal to a plus ib and conjugate of it, so its conjugate sign of conjugate, notation of conjugate, become negative of this one minus b. Addition two conjugate number z1 plus its conjugate negative terms is eliminated, plus ib minus ib, and it become 2a, a real. But we subtract z minus z bar, a minus a is 0, and this is become plus 2ib, only imaginary part. We subtract z conjugate z, 2ib, only imaginary part, a eliminated. And case of multiplication, z multiplied by conjugate, then a plus ib, and its conjugate is a minus ib. Applying same formula, a plus b, a minus b, it is a square, same apply, a square minus b square. So it become a square minus a, I square, b square. And value of I square is 1, putting this will become positive, a square b square. It indicates multiplication of two conjugate number is also real. Now come on division. Z bar, a plus ib, and its conjugate, z bar notation of conjugate, a minus ib. For division we know we multiply conjugate denominator and numerator. So a plus ib, this will become a plus ib whole square, and this become I square b square. On simplifying, a square plus I square b square plus I 2ab. Applying the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It will become a square. Putting the value of I square, it will become b square. Here putting the value, this will become z upon its conjugate multiplication is जेड स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2i ab, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर plus b square. This division of two conjugate number is also a complex number, and real part is a square b square, a square minus b square. Imaginary part is I 2ab upon a square in way. Today we have explained about complex number, what is complex number and what its basic operation, and what is conjugate values and conjugate and addition and subtraction of its conjugate. With the help of these concept, we can use the problem of simple complex number division and multiplication for practice. You do practice. After that, we'll give some other thing about complex number. It's over your complex number class. I will also give the PDF of these lectures. इन लेक्चर्स का हम PDF भी देंगे, और PDF में आप पुराने ओल्ड पेपर्स जो आपके यहाँ आए हैं उनके क्वेश्चंस कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पे बेस हैं वो देंगे आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. थैंक यू बॉयज.